You gotta get ready. Go, go, go. Run the bases. Come on the base. Go, go, go. First base. You gotta step on it. Go. Second base. Number 2. All right. Number 3. Third base. And then home, home, all the way. Home run. You gotta step on it. And now what? Now what do you do? Home run. Good job. Oh, there you go. Yeah, that's a home run right there. Yeah, wow. Double hit. Wow, triple hit. Almost nicked it. I'm watching. Wait for it. There you go. Holy crap. I'm so glad your mother got to see this, because she wouldn't believe me if I didn't say, what happened? What's the matter?